This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gemini Veo 3. This powerful tool allows you to generate stunning, high-quality videos using artificial intelligence. You can create 8-second clips with native audio from simple text prompts or even starting images. To unlock this capability, you will need to subscribe to one of Google's specialized AI plans. Your primary path to Veo 3 is through a Google AI subscription. The Google AI Pro plan grants you limited access to Veo 3 Fast, a quicker version for video creation. However, for the most comprehensive features and highest usage limits, the Google AI Ultra plan is the recommended choice. Each tier provides distinct benefits for your creative projects. Once subscribed, you can easily integrate Veo 3 into your workflow. Within the Gemini mobile app, simply locate the video button in your prompt bar to start generating. Additionally, Google Flow provides higher access for cinematic storytelling, and Whisk offers enhanced capabilities for image-to-video creation. These platforms make video generation intuitive and accessible. For developers and enterprise users, Veo 3 is also available programmatically through the Gemini API and via Vertex AI. This allows for custom integrations and advanced applications. It is important to note that some features, like generating video from a photo, currently have geographic restrictions, particularly in parts of Europe. Always check regional availability for the latest information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.